So friends, come to another question, that is integrations of sec of x divided by log of sec x plus tan x dx. Okay. In this case also, we will first assume log of sec x plus of tan x as new variable v. Okay. So let log of sec of x plus tan of x is equal to v. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. So d dx of log of sec x plus of tan of x is equal to dv by dx. Okay, clear? Now, what is d dx of log of sec x plus of tan x? It is 1 divided by sec x plus tan x into d dx of sec x plus tan x. So, writing it is 1 divided by sec x plus of tan of x into d dx of sec of x plus tan of x. So, this is equal to dv by dx. Okay. So, we can write 1 divided by sec of x plus tan of x into, now what is d dx of sec x? d dx of sec x is sec x tan x, and what is d dx of tan x? It is sec square x. So, we are writing d dx of sec of x is sec of x into tan of x plus sec square x is equal to dv by dx. Okay. So, d dx of sec x is sec x into tan x plus d dx of tan x is sec square x. Now, if we take common sec of x from inside this bracket, then inside the bracket it will be tan x plus of sec x, and that tan x plus sec x and this sec x plus tan x will be cancelled out. So, writing in the next step, it is 1 divided by sec of x plus of tan of x into, just take common sec x, we will get tan x plus sec x inside the bracket. Okay, this is equal to dv upon dx, is it? So, this tan x plus of sec x and this sec x plus of tan x will be cancelled. So, what will be at the left hand side? Just it is sec x. So, in the next step, we can write sec of x is equal to dv by dx, and at the numerator sec x into dx is present. So, we can write sec x into dx is equal to dv. Okay. Now, what will be the integration? The integrations will be, instead of this sec x into dx, we can write dv, and instead of this log of sec x plus of tan x, we write v. So, this will be just simply as dv by v. And what is the integrations of dv by v? It is just log of mod of v plus of c, where c is the integration constant. So, I is equal to log of mod of v plus of c. Now, to get the final answers, we have to re-put v as log of sec x plus of tan x. So, I is equal to log of mod of log of sec x plus of tan x plus of c. So, this is the answer. Okay, clear? Now, come to the next question. So, friends, come to the another question, that is integrations of sine of 6x minus sine of 2x whole divided by cos of 6x minus cos of 2x dx. So, here we will apply first the formula of sin c minus sin d at the numerator and cos c minus cos d at the denominator. So, applying, I is equal to sin c minus sin d, we know 2 into sin of c minus d by 2 into cos of c plus d by 2. So, here c will be considered as 6x and d will be considered as 2x. So, this is integrations of 2 sin of c minus d divided by 2 into cos of c plus d divided by 2. Okay. And at the denominator, we will apply cos c minus cos d again. Here also c as 6x and d as 2x. So cos c minus cos d is 2 sin c plus d by 2 into sin of d minus c by 2. So we are applying 2 sin c, that is 6x, plus d, that is 2x divided by 2, okay, into sin of d, that is 2x, minus c, that is 6x, whole divided by 2 dx. Okay, clear? Now simplifying this, so the numerator become 2 can be cancelled here. So this is sin of 6x minus 2x divided by 2, that is sin of 2x, into cos of 6x plus 2x divided by 2, that is 4x, whole divided by sin of, again 6x plus 2x divided by 2, that is 4x. So sin of 4x into sin of, this will be minus of 2x, and dx is here, okay. And we know sin of minus theta is minus sin theta, so minus can put outside. So what will be I? I will be minus of sin of 2x into cos of 4x whole divided by sin of 4x into sin of 2x dx. Clear? Now this sin 2x and sin 2x from both numerator and denominator can be cancelled. So what will be the integration? The integrations can be written as I is equal to minus integrations of cos of 4x divided by sin of 4x. So cos of 4x by sin of 4x is cot of 4x. So we are writing this is as cot of 4x dx. Okay, clear? Now what is integrations of cot of 4x? It is very simple, that is log of mod of sin 4x whole divided by 4. So I is equal to minus log of mod of sin 4x whole divided by 4, that is 1 by 4, plus of c, where c is the integration constant. So this is the answer. Okay, clear? Now come to the next question. So friends, come to another question, that is integrations of sin of 2x divided by 3 plus of cos square x dx. Okay, we know the derivative of 3 is 0 and derivative of cos square x is minus sin of 2x. That is, the derivative of 3 plus cos square x is minus sin of 2x into dx. Okay, and at the numerator sin of 2x into dx is present. So that is why we will first assume the denominator functions, that is 3 plus cos square x, as the new variable b. Okay, so let assume 3 plus cos square x as v. Okay, now differentiating both sides with respect to x, what we will get? d dx of 3 plus of cos square x is equal to dv by dx. Okay, now obviously the d dx of 3 is 0 and the d dx of cos square x is minus of sin of 2x. So we are writing this is as minus of sin of 2x is equal to dv by dx. Now as sin 2x into dx present at the numerator, that is why we are writing sin of 2x into dx is equal to minus dv. Now what is the integration? The integration become I is equal to, instead of sin 2x dx we are writing minus dv. So this is minus dv, and instead of the denominator functions, that is 3 plus of cos square x, we will write v. So this is v. So now it is very clear. Integrations of minus dv by v, that is minus of integrations of dv by v, which is log of mod v plus c, where c is the integration constant. So we can write this is as minus of log of mod v plus of c. Now to get the final answers, we have to put v as 3 plus cos square x. So I is equal to minus log of mod of 3 plus cos square x plus of c. Okay, clear? Now come to the next question. So friends, come to another question, that is integrations of 2x minus of 1 divided by x plus of 1 whole square. Now look how to solve this numerical. So in the first step, as x plus 1 at the denominator, so first of all we'll try to bring the expression x plus 1 at the numerator also. So this can be done in this way, 2 into x plus of 1 minus of 3, because 2 into x plus 1 minus 3 is 2x minus 1, which is at the numerator. And at the denominator, x plus 1 whole square is present, so we write it. Okay. Now, in the next step, 2 into x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole square can be written as 2 divided by x plus of 1. So, we are writing this is as 2 divided by x plus of 1 minus 3 divided by x plus of 1 whole square. So, 3 divided by x plus 1 whole square, okay, into dx. Now, we can split these integrations into two integrations. In this way, I is equal to 2 into integrations of dx divided by x plus of 1, this is the first part of the integrations, minus 3 into integrations of dx divided by x plus of 1 whole square. Is it? Now, it is too simple to find this integration. I is equal to 2 into integrations of dx divided by x plus 1 is log of mod of x plus of 1. So, we are writing log of mod of x plus of 1 minus 3 into integrations of dx divided by x plus 1 whole square is minus of 1 divided by x plus of 1. So, this is minus of 1 divided by x plus of 1 plus of c, where c is the integration constant. So, easily we can write I is equal to 2 into log of mod of x plus of 1 minus minus plus, that is 3 into x divided by x plus of 1 plus of c. This is the answer. Okay, clear? Now come to the next question. So friends, come to another interesting question, that is integrations of x to the power 6 divided by x minus of 1 dx. Now to solve this type of numericals, look how to solve it. We can write I is equal to integrations of, write x to the power 6 as x to the power 6 minus of 1 plus of 1, and at the denominator x minus 1 present, so we write. Okay. Now, this x to the power 6 minus 1 plus 1 by x minus 1 can be written as x to the power 6 minus 1 by x minus 1 plus of 1 divided by x minus of 1 dx. Okay. So, I is integrations of, now look, x to the power 6 minus 1 by x minus 1 can be written by the fundamental algebra. What? X to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 plus x to the power 3 plus of x square plus x plus of 1. Sure? We can write it. Plus of 1 divided by x minus of 1 dx. Is it clear? Okay. Now, we can split this integrations into 7 integrations form. What? First integration is integrations of x to the power 5 dx. The second integration is integrations of x to the power 4 dx. Then integrations of x cube dx. Then integrations of x squared dx. Then integrations of x dx. Then integrations of 1 into dx, that is dx. And the seventh integration is integrations of dx divided by x minus of 1. So, integrations of dx divided by x minus of 1. Okay. Now, it is very simple to find the integration. Just in this part, we can apply integrations of x to the power m form. So, integrations of x to the power 5 dx is x to the power 6 by 6. So, we are writing x to the power 6 by 6. Integration of x to the power 4 dx is x to the power 5 by 5. So, x to the power 5 by 5 plus integration of x cube dx is x to the power 4 by 4. So, x to the power 4 by 4. Similarly, integrations of x squared dx is x to the power 3 by 3. So, we are writing x to the power 3 by 3. Integration of x dx is x square by 2. Integration of dx is x plus integrations of dx divided by x minus 1 is log of mod of x minus of 1. So, we are writing log of mod of x minus of 1, and obviously we will give a constant c, which is known as integration constant. Okay, Clear? So in this way we can solve this numerical in a quick way. So let's come to the next question. So friends, come to another question, that is integrations of dx divided by square root of x minus of 1. To solve this numerical, we'll first assume x is equal to v square. Okay, so let's start. Let x is equal to v square. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. So d dx of x is 1 is equal to d dx of v square. Okay, so 1 equal to d dx of v square is 2v into dv by dx. So we are writing 2v into dv by dx. So from here we get dx is equal to 2v into dv. So we are writing dx is equal to 2v into dv. Okay. So if x is equal to v square, we get dx is equal to 2v into dv. Now come to the integrations. So the integrations can be written as I equal to integrations of, instead of dx we are writing 2v into dv whole divided by square root of x minus 1 can be written as v minus of 1. So we are writing v minus of 1. Okay. So what is the integration? Now the integrations can be written as 2 into integrations of v dv divided by v minus of 1, and at the numerator v can be written as v minus of 1 plus of 1 divided by v minus 1 at the denominator. Okay. As v minus 1 present at the denominator, that is why we write v minus 1 at the numerator. Is it? Now come. So I is equal to 2 into integration of this v minus 1 divided by v minus 1 is 1. So we can write integrations of 1 plus of 1 divided by v minus 1. So we can write 1 divided by v minus 1 dv. Okay. Now we have to split into 2 integration. So I is equal to 2 into integrations of 1 into dv, that is dv, plus 2 into integrations of dv divided by v minus of 1. So dv divided by v minus 1. Is it? So now it is very easy to us. I is equal to 2 into integrations of dv is v. So v plus of 2 into integrations of dv divided by v minus 1 is log of mod of v minus of 1. So we are writing log of mod of v minus 1 and plus c, where c is the integration constant. So what is I? I is 2 into, instead of v we have to write square root of x. So we are writing square root of x plus of 2 into log of mod of square root of x minus of 1 plus of c. So this is the answer. Okay, clear? Now come to the next question. So friends, come to the next question, that is integration of x cube plus 3x square plus 2x minus 7 whole divided by 2x plus of 1 dx. Okay. Now to solve this type of numerical, first of all we'll multiply it by 2 at both numerator and denominator. So in the first step, I is equal to half of integration of 2x cube plus 6x square plus 4x minus 14 whole divided by 2x plus 1 dx. Okay. In the next step, I is equal to half of integration of, now if we divide this 2x cube plus 6x square plus 4x minus 14 by 2x plus 1, we will get the thing like this: 2x plus 1 into x square plus 5 by 2 into x plus 3 by 4 minus 14 minus 3 by 4. Okay. So at the numerator we will get it, and at the denominator we will get 2x plus of 1 dx. Just divide 2x cube plus 6x square plus 4x minus 14 by 2x plus 1 at the rough, we will get this thing at the numerator. Okay. So I is half of integration of, Now 2x plus 1 into x square plus 5 by 2 into x plus 3 by 4 whole divided by 2x plus 1 can be written as x square plus 5 by 2 into x plus of 3 by 4 minus of, this will be simplified as minus 59 by 4 divided by 2x plus 1. So, this can be written as minus of 59 by 4 divided by 2x plus of 1 dx. Okay, clear? Now, split the integrations into 4 integrations. So, I is equal to half of integrations of x square dx plus 5 by 4 into integrations of x dx, okay, plus 3 by 8 into integrations of dx minus 59 by 8 into integrations of dx divided by 2x plus of 1. Okay. Now, just we have to apply the formula of integrations. So, what is the integration? I is equal to half integrations of x squared dx is x cube by 3. So, we are writing x cube by 3 plus of 5 by 4 integrations of x dx is x square by 2. So, we are writing this is as x square by 2, okay, plus of 3 by 8 into integrations of dx, that is 3 by 8 integration of dx is x. So, we are writing x minus 59 by 8 integrations of dx divided by 2x plus 1, and we know dx divided by 2x plus 1 integration has log of mod of 2x plus 1 by 2. Okay. So, this can be written as minus of 59 by 16 log of mod of 2x plus of 1 plus c, where c is the integration constant. Okay. Clear? Now, in this way we can solve this type of numerical. Now, please come to the next question. So, friends, let us come to the another question, that is integrations of e to the power 2x divided by e to the power x plus of 1 dx. Now, to solve this numerical, we will first assume the denominator e to the power x plus of 1 as v. Okay. So, let e to the power x plus of 1 is equal to v. Now, differentiating both sides with respect to x. So, d dx of e to the power x plus of 1 is e to the power x. So, it is e to the power x is equal to dv by dx. Okay. Now, we can write e to the power x into dx is equal to dv. Now, come to the integration. So, the integration I can be written as integrations of the denominator e to the power x plus 1. So, just written as v. And this e to the power 2x dx can be written as e to the power x into e to the power x into dx. Okay. In the next step, this e to the power x into dx can be written as dv. So, instead of this e to the power x dx, we are writing dv. So, dv, the denominator is v, and instead of this e to the power x, we can write v minus of 1. So, it is v minus 1 dv divided by v. Okay. Now, let us simplify it. So, I is integration of v divided by v, that is 1 minus of 1 divided by v dv. Okay. Clear? Now, we must split into two integrations. So, integration of 1 into dv, that is dv, minus integrations of dv by v. Okay. Now, integrations of dv is v and integrations of dv by v is log of mod v. So, just applying the formula, it is v minus log of mod v plus of c, where c is the integration constant. Now, finally, substituting the values of v to get the final answer. So, I is equal to e to the power x plus of 1 minus log of mod of e to the power x plus of 1 plus of c. Okay. Now, this is our practice that 1 is a constant and this integration constant is a constant. So, combining these two constants will give another new constant, just say as c dash. So, the integrations can be written as e to the power x minus log of mod of e to the power x plus of 1 plus of c dash. So, this is the answer. Okay, clear? Now, come to the next question. So, friends, let's come to the another question, that is integrations of dx divided by plus of e to the power x. Now, to solve this integration, we will first multiply both numerator and denominator by e to the power minus x. So, see, I is equal to integrations of e to the power minus x dx whole divided by e to the power minus x plus of 1. Okay. Now, we will assume this e to the power minus x plus of 1 as v. Okay. As the derivative of e to the power minus x plus of 1 is minus e to the power minus x and e to the power minus x dx present at the numerator. Okay. So, let e to the power minus x plus of 1 as v, differentiating both sides with respect to x, we will get minus of e to the power minus x is equal to dv by dx. As e to the power minus x into dx present at the numerator, so we can write e to the power minus x dx is equal to minus dv. Okay. Now, what is the integration? Therefore, the integration become I is equal to integrations of, instead of e to the power minus x dx, we will write minus dv. So, we are writing minus of dv at the numerator and the denominator e to the power minus x plus of 1 initially we assume as v. So, this is minus dv by v. So, it is very clear to us. So, I is equal to minus of log of mod v plus of c. So, minus of log of mod of v plus of c. Now, to get the final answer, we have to report the values of v, and the v is e to the power minus x plus 1. So, the final answer of the integration is I is equal to minus of log of mod of e to the power minus x plus of 1 plus of c. Okay, clear? Now, come to the next question.